So the next coupler I'm going to show you guys is our boat square coupler. This coupler you see predominantly on boat trailers. So it's definitely important to have our plate on installed correctly because you don't have a lot of tongue weight with these trailers since it sticks so far out from the boat. So with these square couplers, you have a very thin surface underneath. So it's very important with our plate to have the lip outward facing down so it lines up evenly with the front of the coupler. If you don't do this, you will not have the front of the coupler lined up and you'll get movement. And if you get movement, that's when you can start to damage the coupler. So now I'm going to show you guys how to install our 2-inch base with plate on the boat/square coupler. Bring your locking mechanism up. Place your ball in the locking mechanism, bring it down. Make sure it's locked in. And what's unique about this square coupler is it's very thin underneath here. So it's very important when positioning our plate to have the lip outward facing down so it is completely even with the surface on this coupler. If you turn it this way and you bring it up, as you can see, the corners are not covered. So if you try and tighten it like this, you could damage your coupler while using your trailer dolly on this particular coupler. So therefore, you want to make sure you have your lip facing forward when you bring your collar upward. So bring your collar up like this. I start by going hand tight. Once you have it hand tight and it's flush, I wiggle a little bit to get any space out. Once I've wiggled, tighten it a little bit more. Then you use your spanner wrench, which comes with the unit. Tighten it a little bit more. If you can, and you have a rubber mallet, give it an extra whack to get that extra quarter turn out of it. It goes a very long way. Keep in mind again, if this is loose, when you're moving your trailer, you can cause damage to your coupler if this gets loose. So always make sure it is sufficiently tight to your square jack.